how to put saddle on a horse. So what you need to do is just simply right click on the horse to basically ride them, and you'll eventually get this placed off the horse. So you just need to do this a few times. You could also give them some food like carrots, apples, and stuff. So right click on them to increase like the chances of getting on them. So I'll do it again. And as you can see, you just need to repeat the process again and again till you just stay right here. So you just need to wait. And this might take some time, depends. You just need to do it again and again. Now, for quite some time, this will happen where there will be hearts that will pop off the horse, which means that you've successfully tamed the horse. And now what you need to do is just simply click on your inventory. So click on letter E, and now just put the saddle into the horse right here. When the horse is on the saddle, now you could control the horse just like so. Without the saddle, you cannot control the horse. So the saddle is very important. And that's how you use a saddle or put a saddle on a horse in Minecraft.